Hey guys, it's a rainy day here in Stockholm today, but I hope you had a good summer. Just before the summer I recorded this video. I got new shoes, these shoes. I decided to take a picture of them before I started wearing them. So I didn't really have much time and I just threw something together. I brought a skateboard from home. I did not have time to record audio or anything like that while I was doing it, so we'll see if I'll do a voiceover or I'll just add music and show you what I did. So I hope you like it. It is what it is. Please subscribe and like the video, and yeah.